Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this morning I'm up in my doll nook, and we're going to open some Happy Mail. I'm very excited about it. We recently took a trip. Well, actually, we recently took 4 trips. So this Happy Mail has been waiting. As you can see, my shelves are not finished, but I am loving my doll nook. All right, let me see if I can actually pull. Nope, of course not. Give me a minute here. This one is from Deron. Another surprise package. He orders a lot on Amazon, and a lot of times when he does, he'll say, "Do you want anything?" And I'll say no, but he's seen me looking at something, so he buys it. Oh God, is this what I think? Is this what I think? Ooh.
It's what you guessed too. That's the worst of it.
Did I guess?
Yeah. The box showed up and you said, "Is this the RC Barbie?" I'm like, how the heck could you even know that?
Well, you said it was for me, and it was about the right size, and it was heavy, and you know what? Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, 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 look. You know what? We're going to have to take this to town. I don't have anywhere for my Barbies to ride around.
When, forgive me if I get it wrong, Tina's Reborns and More, or Tina's Barbies, or whatever her channel name is, when Tina had said that she had got the AMC car, I offered to her, I said, "Do you want me to get you one?" She said, "I'm not paying $50 for that. I'd rather, for that kind of money, I'd rather have the RC Barbie." So
the RC Barbie car. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, I will be taking this out of the box. Not today. We're going to have to get batteries. We're going to have to take it to town. Deron and I live out of town, out in the rural, I guess. Doesn't seem rural from what we've lived before, right?
Right.
But we have a gravel driveway, and so we're going to have to take this somewhere so Barbie and Ken from the movie can ride in it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Dory, this is your fault. You have me all into this Barbie stuff and this Barbie movie. Thank you. And please subscribe.